Okay guys, this is the last step of the shop, adding the skin icons. Okay, cool. So for that we are going to use the transparency capture package from Orange 030. So thanks dude, it's free. And yeah, let's use that. It will allow us to make some screenshots, but with a transparent background. This way we can use them in the shop. Okay, so let's grab it. I'm gonna open the package manager. So right here in Unity, window, package manager, transparency capture. Let's import it. Import. Okay, should be quick because it's only 100 kilobytes. Okay, cool. Then we can close this window and let's start. So for that, I'm gonna make a new scene because I don't want to mess with the original one. So let's go in our scenes folder, duplicate the sample scene and rename it thumb maybe, or icon. Yeah, let's rename it icon. Okay, here it is. Now we've got the icon scene opened. So we can almost delete everything. So let's delete these guys. Let's delete all of the managers. Let's disable the Cinemachine brain because we are going to move the camera a bit. And under the gameplay game object, we are going to select only one runner. Okay, then we can delete the gameplay game object. Perfect. So let's now select our runner, focus it in the scene view, like so. Perfect. Now we can select the camera, click on game object in the menu, and select align with view. That way, in the game scene, we are going to have the camera aligned with the view. By the way, we can also change the background color. So right here, background type, solid color, and then select maybe a black color. Okay, perfect. We can change the lighting a bit just to have a better view of the character, maybe something like that. All right. And let's select the first skin, hit play. It should play the idle animation right now. Okay, cool. And yeah, I think that we can take a screenshot like that. So how are we going to take the screenshot? For that, we are going to create a new game object and call it screenshot, like so. We can reset the transform because it's messing my OCD. Okay. And after that, we can open the transparency capture folder, grab the transparency capture to file script and attach it to the screenshot game object right here. So if you see well here, you can see that by pressing C, it's going to start the capture coroutine. So it will allow us to capture a screenshot. So let's open this script so we can change it a bit. Okay, so in this method, the script is going to save the screenshot as capture.png. But imagine that you make a screenshot and decide to take another one right away. It's going to overwrite the previous one. That's not what we want. So to quickly fix that, we are going to create an integer. So maybe screenshot index equals 0. And each time we take a screenshot, we want to increment this screenshot index. Okay. After that, we can change the name of the saved screenshot by capture underscore screenshot index.png. Okay. And this will allow us to take multiple screenshots. You could also add the date time, so the current date at which you took the screenshot, or a GUID, so a generic unique identifier for the screenshot, or anything else. But yeah, that works okay for our case actually. So yeah, let's now hit play. Let's press C. Okay. Now let's see if it has been saved. Okay, capture 0. That's exactly what we want. So now let's take screenshots for all of the other ones. Awesome, I'm done taking the screenshots. Now I'm gonna drop all of them in my photo editing software and make them squared. Okay, so let's open it. Let's create a new workspace. That will be maybe 256 by 256. So I'm gonna create 9 of them, like so. Perfect. Let's select them, bring them down, and again. Okay, now I think I have 2 here. Perfect. Now I have my 9 workspaces. I can rename them just to export them all at once. Okay, so skin 00. Okay, perfect. Now I can grab all of the screenshots that we've made. They are here. Okay, grab them all, drop them here. Perfect. They're a bit too big, so let's make them smaller, like so, maybe. Yep. Okay, that's good. Now we can select the first one, drop it at his position. Second one, we can then resize them later. And the last one. Okay. Now I can rescale them a bit. So maybe I want to see the head. Yeah, I think it's okay. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just gonna export them. Perfect, I'm back in Unity. So open the assets folder. I've exported them in the sprites folder, skins folder, and here they are. So we just need to select all of them and change the texture type to sprite. Perfect, let's apply the changes. Now we can go back to our main scene. So open the scenes folder, sample scene, and under the shop manager in the inspector, of course, we can now change the old skin sprites by the new ones. So let's right click here, select properties, set 0 skins because we are going to add the new ones. Okay, so let's go to the skins folder, select all of them, drag them and drop them onto this array. Perfect. Now let's try. Okay, open the shop. And yeah, cool. It's just a bit too small, so let's change that. We are gonna open the prefabs folder, UI, skin button, and let's select the skin image. So press F to focus it. Here it is. Let's maybe show it. Okay. I see. So it needs to stretch on the full width and height of the skin button, like so. Okay. So now the skin button is 00. It's weird, so let's make it 256 by 256. And the skin image is now scaling accordingly. So let's hit play, open the shop, and now we can see that we have a neat image, a neat icon of the skin. Let's unlock all of the other ones. So space, okay. Perfect, and now we can select them. Nice. Awesome, guys. In the next sessions, we are going to see how to add ads, advertisements, so that you can make money out of your game. So let's do that in the next session.